Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy from the Webonaut and this is the Advent Calendar Tricks for Bricks. A little tip per day to give you superpowers in Bricks Builder. Let's celebrate and see what today has to offer. Today is day 10 of the Advent Calendar and we're gonna have a look at the outline of set. Let's jump into bricks. Okay, we're in the section of 10th of December. We're gonna target today the container wrapper, so this one, and we're gonna go into the style tab, all the way down to CSS. I already have my root preset, and now we're gonna have to define two things. First, the outline design that we want, so we're gonna put outline and we're gonna put 3 pixels. We want it solid. You could choose to go for dashed or anything like this, and then I'm gonna put a variable. You could put anything you want in there, but for me, I'm gonna go with my primary color. All right, and we're gonna put here. There is not much we can see except that if we click out, now you can see it. It acts sort of as a border, but as you can see, it is not a border because it has this disgusting little line around. Well, obviously it's an outline and not a border. So now we have to move the outline, and that's where we're gonna use the outline offset. And let's say we're gonna put 20 pixels. Boom. Same again, we don't see it, but if we click out, we see it. Of course, this can be used for decoration purposes, but tomorrow I'll be showing you a very good way to use it to improve accessibility. And that's it for today. You can find all the relevant information about today's trick in my community, The Space. It's free to join and I'd be happy to see you there. Link in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's tricks for bricks. As usual, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys!